Hi Dimitro, as promised, here's a quick video just showing the Kunak samplers. So that's a typical installation. It's just held on with a bracket, somewhat similar to the passes. Once you get the package and you open up the materials, I'm sure you'll be able to figure that out. Here are the Kunak samplers. I got a couple of them, just obviously bench testing them, making sure that they're running okay. Just gonna flip one over here so that show you what they look like on the inside or underneath. So here we have the sampler itself. You have your particulate, and then we've got a NOx cartridge and a NaNO cartridge, which is just being protected by this uh, screen here, I guess, or kind of a metal bracket. Okay, so here's your NO2 and NO cartridges. The reason that protective screen is there is obviously those little white circles where the detectors are obviously quite delicate. So yeah, just beware on that. So we'll throw this back on for now. Okay, and then I'll just show you here real quick this the screen. You just have to press down on the on side. It'll one time. And you get a little rundown on how everything is doing. And it's so once you get these things plugged in and running, you can have a look at this, and this will give you some indication so everything is okay. It's got a little red light, obviously, for when things are bad. Green is good. So that's good. And you get a number of parameters. PM 2.5. I'm not sure why everything's at 0. I'm going to have to look into that. But temperature, humidity, and yeah, you can hook up a wind system to this if you want, and a rain gauge, I guess. And so that's basically a quick overview of the Kunak. They hook up to these. Holy crow! Let me just these transformers here. Is the 110 in and 12 volts out. So if you're to hook up to the solar, you obviously disconnect here, and that'll hook into the solar. When they're in transport, there's these little white blank cartridges, and they'll be plugged in, and so you'll just take these out. They have a little 8-pin plug there. You'll pull these ones out and put the electrochemical cells in where those are. So we should be good there. Okay, here are the battery boxes that would hook up with the solar. We've got the solar brackets that would bolt in. Probably connect those to the Met tower. If that's not available, hook up with some of the scaffolding in those boxes there. Those are the silicon glass batteries. They're especially made for low temperature operations, which they're going to see. And then here are the battery boxes. Okay. Here we have the solar power controller and the power supply for the Kunaks. So yeah, we've got the Y clips will go in here. Just make sure you match up the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative. You can see with this, I've tried to use red for all the positives. So when you take a look, it'll be really straightforward to hooking them up. And then of course the Kunak, this is the 12 volts that would hook up to the Kunak. And you know the the cables that go to the Kunak and then go to the solar panel, you'll just kind of drape them over here um, and then just close the box. There's a little bit of foam here, so it'll have give and it'll still keep the box fairly tight, I think. All right, should be good there. These are the solar panels that you would hook up with the battery box. And then we've just got our Y electrical clips. Those will just clip right into the solar controller, and then of course this here would just clip into the power supply. All right, I think that's about does it. You can give me a shout if you have any questions. All right, we'll talk to you later.